Alright, today we got this blue 2ds, this blue doorstop with a chewed off joystick. Looks like a rat or something might have chewed it off, so we're gonna get that replaced with a nice little blue metal one. Yippee! I got a gotta fix some nut press. Gonna need a pretty small Phillips screwdriver for this. I used a 2mm Phillips. I'm not sure exactly what size will work for you. Started with these 4 screws on the bottom. I'll make some quick work of that. It's easy. And then you got these 2 screws on the back. You don't have to go crazy on them. They have a little retaining thing on the back of the screw. You just pop it right off. He must have been eating some beans or something, so. And don't worry, we clean that shit up later. Then once you get that cover removed, you got 6 more screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right up in here. And get those. Right out, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I did it in this fucking order. Don't question it, don't ask.
Alright, so after you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you take the back panel off, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the back panel should just come off. Oh, there's like a
ribbon cable.
It's for the camera. Okay. Removing the ribbon, you just gotta, take it up. And then ribbon.
You just gotta pop that black tab up. It's pretty easy.
So on this, you want to go lift it up backwards from this side. You see it flips up that way.
There you go, you can see it.
See it flips up like that.
Yeah, don't rip it out if it's stuck.
Slide that out of there so you can take off that screw, and you should be able to get to behind there. So, start with these. And this should be free. And this we're gonna
You wanna see that orientation? That thing is on the bottom. I had to go back to the footage to watch and see.
So we're digging off.
But take note of that now. The orientation is the notch goes down.
Alright, so to fish this through the back, leave this part in the bottom.
Don't leave that part in the bottom. I don't know why I fiddled with it for so long. You do not have to fucking leave that. It's easy to put it back in. You'll see me fucking lose it at the end. And then I just put it back in anyways.
Oh, there we go.
Like, I messed with it for so long and then I accidentally got that thing in.
Just trying to grab in. Find it.
And it's really easy to just put it back in.
You should have that behind there. You do definitely leave it at the bottom like this.
Y'all leave it downwards.
Make sure you have that plastic retaining piece on that side still.
Mine was just stuck on there, so I left it.
Go together. And then it's in there.
Yeah, you can give it a nice little squeeze to make sure it's all together.
The 2 screw in there. We'll do the ribbon cable. Lifted. Just put that back in.
Push that back to the top, and then you can see I closed it, and then I had to open it again. There we go.
It's locked in, I think.
Yeah, my girlfriend came in.
What are you guys think? Make sure
And I was
there's
like,
pins in
already
the corner.
half done, and then we lost a pin.
Together, reportedly. Put the friggin' pins together. Yeah, I think it is. It's like that. You have that like little top notch. And then that part goes on. But I don't know if you're supposed to have these parts on the bottom or whatever, but... Make sure you have that notch lined up with that notch up there. That notch lined up with that notch. And then should be good to put on the back piece. But we gotta do the ribbon first, so make sure that's lifted up and in. Those. And then all this kind of just pushes it back together. Probably clean that up. It's some stuff. Get that out of there. Alright, so time to... Actually, let's just put the battery in and make sure everything works good. Alright, so we'll just power it off. There you have it.